Dallas comes at you. Listen, if anybody out there looking for a way to catapult their business or try to automate their business, I found that tool through a company called the Conversion Pros. I say again, the Conversion Pros. The reason why I say that is because of this. The tools they have on board is out of this world. I'm talking about such tools as voice message broadcaster, auto-sponder, text messaging, email responder, mobile web creator, blog creator. All these tools and much more are involved with this system. I tell you what, there are a couple of videos below here I want you to take a look at. And if you get involved, it's on you. If you don't, that's fine as well. I just want to let you know that there is a service out here that can help you with your business. At the same time, you can make money with this service because people need it anyway. Look, I'll see you next time. The next video, you have a nice day.